Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have on LEXUS and this car have a problem. Check air suspension system. So today I will show you why this warning light came. Check air suspension. What is the actually fault? Okay. So first we need to check diagnose with computer LEXUS. Automatic selection, read GX460 2012 model, radar cruise, diagnosis, auto scan. See here, when I scan full system, then in air suspension there is 3 fault. Okay, check those fault. Why this warning light came? This is the fault C1781 suspension control ECU fault and low battery position voltage. Suspension control ECU fault, that means air suspension control unit damage. Okay, see what is the possible causes of the code C1781. Fault steering angle sensor or steering angle sensor harness, steering angle sensor port circuit, or fault in suspension ECU. So those are causes for this fault. How to fix? Short by checking possible cases. So first you need to replace one suspension ECU, then need to check if this fault gone, then need program. Okay,